Let's go in here and let's see if we have any eggs we have to clean up first. So we walk in here, we're going to see a bunch of them now. There, we call that Meanie. Hi, Meanie. Meanie's mean. She attacks, so you got to be kind of careful. When she thinks you're going to take her eggs, she has a fit sometimes, and sometimes not. But nope, it doesn't look like we have much. That's where they eat, by the way. There's their water over there. So they're skittish. Let's get started.
Hey guys, it's Ozzy again. Mama J here again. Punch Overland. We're close to the end of another project. Cleanup time has begun. Addition to the house here, and you'll be seeing some more videos in the future here. But are you excited, Mama J?
Yeah, I am. I'm excited.
She's been after me for about 2 weeks to get this little machine out of the house and put it in here and start using it, because she's addicted. I'll show you about that here a little bit. But.
Yeah, I'm always addicted to something, right? According to Ozzy.
So anyway, the cleanup process has begun, so we can start using the what used to be the chicken coop. And in that statement there is the reason we didn't show the initial cleanup and everything, because too many people might have thought it was kind of gross, but it cleaned up good, didn't it, Mama J?
It did. It cleaned up really nice. Yep.
We got everything all covered up and stain sealed and odor sealed and covered up, and it's working out good so far. Sealing up good. Pretty much done. All we're doing is doing the wipe down and the cleaning today, and so much dust and different things in there that we gotta blow it out 2 or 3 times, let it settle, and start mopping and wiping the walls and getting ready for its intended purpose now, its new purpose. So anyway, we'll talk to you here in a little bit. We're gonna keep cleaning. And no, we're not starting a barbecue joint in a chicken coop, so.
No barbecue chicken. Talk to you in a little bit.
I'm not sure, but I think he's teasing my dog. He's laughing at him anyway. He must look funny. Nope. Guess he's laughing at me. Gotta temporarily keep Duncan in the yard If you guys have watched some of our past videos, probably a long time ago, when we had the chickens, that's been over a year ago. This was the door from the storage and the grain part of the chicken coop. But hanging on to it now for a while. We're not going to get rid of it right yet. But all I'm using it for now is a little gate here to keep Duncan in the yard until we decide what we're doing with this corner. But had to take it down so we could load the rest of the junk and the scraps into the trucks. Well, I'll take you into the chicken coop here and show you what we've done.
I am excited. We are going to start a new thing in our little shed.
Gives you a little glimpse into what the chicken coop looks like now, and in the weeks to come you'll see what we're going to use it for. We got to try out what we're doing here and see, make sure it's all going to work for us and stuff before we start showing you what we're doing. So a new place to come and sit while I chat with you every week or every other week. So anyway, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Just giving you a quick glimpse on what's going on. It's been a while. It's been about 3 weeks from start to finish here, so, which I guess isn't a long time, but for me, mostly doing it on my own. Had a Mama J help here and there, and Brent helped here and there, lift some heavier things up and get them into place. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna let you go here and talk to you again in a week or two. So it's Ozzy, Punch Overland, checking out. Thanks for watching.
Do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love Grandpa, Ozzy? Look that way.